Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we'll be making the famous chicken kurma recipe. Okay, let's start. We have here some chicken thighs around 1.5 kg that I'm going to marinate first at least for 30 minutes. To that we'll add some yogurt, garlic paste, season with some salt, black pepper powder and turmeric powder. Mix well, cover and let rest. In the meantime, we'll prepare the ingredients that we'll use later. Here I have some clove stick, green cardamom, one small piece of Javitri mace, some dried coconut powder which we will blend together into a fine powder. Now let's start cooking. In a large pan, I am heating around 90 ml of oil, to which we'll add some green cardamom, cinnamon sticks and bay leaf. We'll let saute for a few seconds until we'll add the chicken and let them fry on a medium-high flame. In between, we'll stir the chicken each time until the chicken has become light brown in color and texture. Now it's time to add some spices: roasted coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, Garam Masala, and finally some Kashmiri red chilli powder. At that point, we'll mix well and let saute on medium-low flame. Next, we'll add some ginger paste. Mix again. Then add some yogurt. Mix again. Cover and let cook around 7 to 8 minutes. Now as you can see, the sauce curry has become thick, inconsistent and started to separate from the oil. Now we'll add the grinded powder that we have prepared earlier. Mix well. We'll also add some nutmeg powder, some fried crunchy onions that I'm crushing with my hands, and note that the onions shouldn't be dark in color, else you won't obtain a beautiful light colored kurma. And finally some cashew puree, which I had take around 3/4 cup of cashews and blend together with 1 cup of water. Mix well, then add 1.5 cup of water. Cover and let cook around 10 to 15 minutes until we'll get this kind of curry consistency. And that's it, our chicken kurma is ready. So this is my style of chicken kurma, right from scratch, so beautifully cooked with lots of flavor that will amaze your guests anytime. Hope you have liked my video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.